Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see how did the microscopic world has popularized in Europe. So let's start the video. Intro please Snoops.
Okay, my dear boss.
William Halvey, the greatest physician of the time, who have also explained the blood circulation. But the thing he couldn't been able to explain is why do blood circulate and how do the blood circulate in one single network. Like he know there are veins and arteries, how these both are connected. So for this there are many theories like these veins and arteries were divided into infinite small tubes and connect with each other to perform one network blood circulation. The theory was so convincing, right? But there are no practical proofs to prove it, as capillaries are so small that we cannot see by our naked eyes. So there are no microscopes around yet, so the capillary theory was being remain as a hypothesis. So when the microscope has made its entry on the scientific world, the people started to look and understand the universe in opposite direction. Instead of going beyond the space, they started to look in microscopic domain to understand more about the universe and around them. The very first book to carry the illustrations of microscopic world is Micrographia. The author is Robert Hooke, who has seen the first death cell or discovered this cell in his cooked microscope, which is written in the Micrographia, with many other microscopic structures of insects, plants, etc. And it is also considered as the first publication of Royal Society, the modern world's oldest academy to practice experimental science and etc., which is found in 1660. From that moment, the micrographia has made a stand. Later, two particular people has made a huge contribution in medicine as well as microbiology, whose names are Anthony Leeuwenhoek and Marfrigio. Marcello Marfrigi is considered as the father of histology. Histology means the study of tissues in microscopic level, and the most important finding of him is that capillaries, in which he observed in the slide of lungs of frog in the year 1661. Anton Leeuwenhoek is a businessman in Netherlands who used his self-made microscope to observe the fabric which he received. Later, after reading the book Micrographia, he developed a special interest in microscopic world. So he started to see the structures of string of bees, etc., which he shared with his friend and who insisted him to write a letter to Royal Society. At first, Antony has hesitated as he doesn't have any literacy or scientific background, but later he wrote a letter in 1773 and for which he got many congratulations from the Royal Society. Later in 1676, he observed a green algae pond water in which he found the first ever single-celled microscopic organisms, which he wrote back a letter to the Royal Society. At last, the Royal Society accepted his finding in the year 1677. Even Anthony Leeuwenhoek was been elected to the Royal Society in the year 1680, but he turned down the offer.
But boss, why did he let such a beautiful opportunity?
I will explain it, Snoops. Wait. He felt that the scientific community wouldn't accept him as one of them as he is not from a scientific background, and he felt that he will be more happy to explore and to continue with his business. So that's it for this video, friends. If you like the video, like it and share it.
And you want more awesome content like this, please subscribe our channel.